Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're all in your very good health and keeping yourself safe. You're not going out because Eid is coming, so people are again out in the markets. There are crowded areas. People are not um, uh, most of them are not wearing masks, so please try to avoid the crowded places because that cannot be safe for any of us, right? Even if you are vaccinated, even then, try to be safe. If you have to shop, go at the time and there will be less people, so you can just go early and have your shopping done early in the morning, like 12 to 1. Yeah, that will be good enough. So, because still we need to keep ourselves safe, we need to wear masks, we need to wash our hands frequently, we need to keep the social distancing, which people are not following in the markets and the restaurants these days. So please keep that in mind that you have to follow that, okay? So we are in our numeracy class right now, and we are going again, yes, we are going doing numbers. We have done a lot of numbers, but today we are going to do teen numbers. Yes, so we are going to introduce teen numbers today. So for that, how I'm going to start is to show you a video. See, we are making wonderful videos for you. So I am going to show you a video before we are going to start, and we are going to see what are these teen numbers, right? So let's start with the video. Yeah, here it is. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and here comes 19. Okay, thank you. So you've done you've seen the video right now, and in which you have seen a couple of numbers over here, right? Basically we call them teen numbers, right? So I'm going to explain you what are these teen numbers, right? And why do we call them teen numbers? So we are going to just start, right? So you have watched the video and there were numbers, and what are those numbers? They're like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, right? So after number 9 up till number 20, there are a couple of numbers in which they start with 1 and then the other number changes, right? So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to write them first, okay? So we are going to write the teen numbers. Okay. So I have written the numbers over here: 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, right? Now, by looking at them, just look at them carefully, right? Now, what is the first number in it? What do you see first? Yes, number one, one, one. Yes, it has always number one. The first is number one, and then the next number changes, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes. So see, these are the teen numbers. So the teen numbers have number 1 and then the next number, right? Number 1, they have all number 1 first and then the next number. So this is how you can recognize that this is a teen number. Yes, this is a teen number. And then why do we call it a teen number? Okay, now we are going to write something over here. I'm just going to show you. Right, so these are the teen numbers, and now I'm going to write something which we are going to see. So 13, right? We did the spellings, the numbers in words before, if you remember, right? So 13, we're going to write the spelling for 13. DHIRTEN, 13, right? I am going to write the spelling for 14. FORTEEN, 14. FIFTEEN, 15, right? So I'm writing the numbers in words: 13, 14, 15, right? And then 16, SIXTEEN, 16, then 17, then 18, and then 19. That's great. So I have written down all the numbers in words over here on the next side, right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now, I've told you that all the teen numbers have number 1 over here. See, number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the next number changes. That makes it 13. With number 4, it makes it 14. With number 5, it makes it 15. Number 6, it makes it 16. Number 7, it makes it 17. Number 8, with 1, makes it 18. And number 9, with 1, makes it 19. Yes, okay. So if we read the numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, there is also one thing which is repeating, as here number 1 is repeating and the next is changing, right? In the same way, here the first word is changing and the next is the same. And what is that? Can you find it? They are teen numbers. What are they? Teen numbers. Yes, they're teen numbers. So there is teen in every word. When we write number in word, it has teen in it, and that is TEEN, teen, 13, TEEN, teen, 14, TEEN, teen, 15, TEEN, teen, 16, TEEN, teen, 17, TEEN, teen, 18, and TEEN, teen, 19. Yes. See, this is which is common when we write teen numbers in words, and when we write teen numbers in numbers in figures. This has number 1 common in it, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? So we call them teen numbers because it has teen at the end of every word we write, right? SIX, 6, teen. 7, teen. AIGHT, TEEN, teen. That's why we call them teen numbers, right? So how many teen numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So what they have common in it, it has got number 1 before the number, and it has got teen after the number, right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is not 15 and this is not 13. This is 13 and this is 15, right? So rest of it is the same. Okay, so once again, we will be watching the video to just have fun. Okay, so I'm going to put that and we will be watching this again.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and here comes 19.
Okay, thank you again. So we have done teen numbers today, and we have seen how we write them in figures, and we have seen how we can write them in numbers. So this was it for today's class in numeracy. We have done teen numbers, and we will be doing some more numbers in the next class, right? So till then, I'm going to say that you are going to remember to subscribe my channel. Yes, please do so, because all the teachers are working very, very, very hard for you, and our team is making wonderful videos, very helpful, interactive, interesting videos for you. So you need to subscribe the channel, and if you like, and I hope you're all liking the videos, so please give all the videos a thumbs up, and yes, do share it with your friends because you care about your friends. So sharing is caring, so do share it with your friends. So that will be wonderful, because you will also enjoy the same and they'll also be enjoying the videos. So I'm going to say you goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, please be happy and be safe, and be grateful for whatever you have, because that's really, really, really important. So till we see each other soon, inshallah, I'm going to say you goodbye and Allah Hafiz.